Welcome everybody to this market analysis on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow and you'll also save a bit time. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications because it's very important due to I put analysis right before the sessions, so it's nice to get notified for that and like the video if you like it. Comment below your thoughts. So we're gonna do like a monthly analysis, what we expect for the next month. This is a 3 month chart on gold. From monthly we're gonna start on monthly, but obviously we're gonna go down to the smaller time frames. As you can see here, we have a rejection area right above here. If we take this level, price never closed below on the 3 month perspective, just right before the January, February and March. But as you can see on this monthly time frame, we can adjust this and bring this to this resistance. We are approaching to this big resistance area where price just taps this level but cannot hold above 1980 levels. At the moment, the previous month, the May month closed bearish, breaking the highs and the lows of the previous month and closed bearish, which is an indication that we have a possibility to come up to the next support area on a monthly time frame, which is 1850, 1820. But we made a nice wick on the first week of on the first 2-3 days of the June. If we go down to the weekly time frame, we can see that price was struggling on this level. We were just breaking the highs but never closing above. Like this was the resistance, we never closed above, we just broke. Then this was resistance, we closed slightly above, and the next week immediately we closed bearish and turned the momentum. As of now, we broke this support, we closed below this support, so now we are headed to the downside. We have this clean traffic to the left hand side here, which if we manage to, but this week we closed weekly bullish, but we also broke the lows, so on, and never broke the previous monthly highs, weekly highs, sorry. And if next week if we come and break this level 1930, 1935, I think we will head down to lower level to clean this clean traffic move which happened on second week of March. Now if we go to a daily time frame, let's clean this a bit because these are just smaller time frame analysis. We can see that we are right in this smaller range on a daily time frame. Now we have this range high, range low. We are just bouncing in between this range. We had these crucial levels before also. As you can see, they're aligning very nicely with previous resistances. So a break of either way would make sense for price to continue to the next support, which is 1900 round key level, which I anticipate more than bullish because we're failing to break and close above this resistance, which was previous very strongly support holds for days and weeks, and we never once we break here we never closed above that before. But however, we are in a range, so we cannot, we need a closure in either side of the range, either a closure below this level or a closure below this level for confirmations to either side, either for bullish or bearish. At the moment, we are just in the range. If we go to 4-hour time frame, we can see that price is, we break one time here but fail to continue. We just broke the lows and then came and tapped the top of the range yet again, which we failed to close above. There was not enough momentum to the downside, and then we just rejected we closed actually also below this support, and then we're headed to this next support. So next week, what I anticipate is if we manage to come and break these lows, maybe just a wick, a range again, go inside the week and form these ranges, which will form the daily or the weekly wick also. And then if we come up and manage to close below these level 1940 on a 4-hour time frame, or possibly on a daily time frame, then we can anticipate the price to continue to this level 1890 for next support area. But as you can see on a weekly time frame, the traffic is very clean, so this is not very this is not very visually presented. I don't know how to express myself in this case, but this is not very visually presented on a weekly time frame. But on a daily, we can anticipate as a target area, as a support, and then obviously if we come up and close, if we have, for example, we come next week, we have a wick, and then we close above here, and then next candle has something like this. As soon as we break these lows, we can anticipate price to come up and retest this level area. So yeah, I anticipate we need either a closure below here or a closure above here for to have a determination. So weekly can also like close just like this, bullish, filling this week, and then next week and then just break the high and tap one more time to this resistance, as we already have 3 weeks of strong bearish momentum and then this week of a range. Maybe we can find, maybe we confirm support here, we come up, break these highs, retap this level again, and then continue for the next leg down. So we need more data to confirm that, but this is just a preparation and an analysis preparation. And yeah, inside this range is very tricky to trade. We can either take sells from confirmation after we have confirmation from top of the range, or buys after we have confirmation of support find of the bottom of the range. But other than that, I don't see anything clear on this 400, is it 400 pip? Yeah, 400 pip range. Is it a big, it's a very big range, but for example in this case you have a bullish candle failing to break and close above this level, then you have a bearish, and then this bearish candle confirms that this breaks this minor support and confirm bearish momentum. Then on the close, on the break of the lows here, you can take sells till this level right over here, for example. That's what I can look, and this is also very clean traffic. So if we also fail, come back inside the range, break the highs, then we have this clean traffic which we can mirror right over here, just like we did here. For example, we mirror on the second side, on the right side. So yeah, that's about it for gold. Let's go ahead on GJ. GJ is a bit more tricky. Let's clean the chart. Let's go from a 3-month perspective. 3-month time frame is very bullish, especially after this support formed, and now we're just continuing to the upside. We have let me just clean this alerts so we have more visual views. So on the monthly time frame, previous month we closed very nice. After this nice week we closed bullish, and now this is a very fresh month, but we are already breaking the highs, which we can anticipate a quick push till this level right over here, till 185, 186 level. On a weekly time frame we have closed above this level, confirming, and then above this level we just need to break these highs right over here, and then we have this clean traffic to a left hand side which we can easily mirror to the right hand side till this next region area. So yeah, on a weekly time frame we look very nice, but we need a closure below here. Maybe we can have another retest, a closure above here, I mean above, not below, a closure above here, and then we have this clean traffic or of 1000 pip almost, which we can potentially take some buys. On a daily time frame, however, it's a bit more tricky. On a daily time frame we have a nice key level right over here, which is previous support now turned into resistance, so we need to take that into consideration when we break above here. Let's just go ahead and check. Once we break above this previous lower high that was made, previous resistance, as soon as we break above here we have this clean traffic till 180, very key level, nice round number. of around 600 pips, which as soon as I believe as soon as we close above here on the break of the highs, we have enough room, and aligned with all the higher time sorry Bill about this, we have enough room and confirmation of all higher time frame for a continuation to the upside, potentially in 2-3 days candle, and we can tap probably this level. Let's go quickly just on the 4-hour time frame, just to have on the 4-hour time frame we're already rejecting this level, but so that's why we must have a clean closure above this level, because this is the next major support resistance of the next 400 pips or 500 pips to the upside. So we need a closure above. Inside this range there is not very clean traffic on either side, so it's not an optimal trade to an optimal range to trade. It's around 170 pips, 200 pips. So I would like to wait about closure above here for potential moves to the upside. For sells, for sells is very tricky, because I usually trade these clean traffic ranges, and there's these ranges here, I don't like to trade. So for sells you have all of these ranges, then if you get a closure below here, then you have all these ranges up until here and up until here where you have clean traffics. So unless we have a closure below this level, I'm not gonna look for sells on terms of higher time frame sells, bearish momentum I would say. And also if you check the higher time frames, we are strongly in a bullish momentum, and we have this clean traffic to the left hand side, which we can easily mirror to the right hand side. Same on a weekly time frame, we have this clean traffic, and then even though we have this clean traffic here on the weekly time frame, we can see that unless we break this level 169, it's not a very optimal level to trade. So 169 is right over here somewhere, yeah, somewhere here. So only up below this level here is nice to trade, but on smaller time frame, on daily 4-hour, we can also check on the break of this level. But yeah, obviously if we have a clean rejection, break the lows, we can also take some sells here, anticipate this clean move to clean all this traffic right over here. But yeah, I'm not favoring sells in this momentum at the moment. We need much more confirmation to look for sells. At the moment on GJ I'm bullish, and yeah, that's about it for all these analysis. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel to support me to continue these videos. Bye bye.